What's going, guys? This is J the Unbreakable here, and today it's time, guys. It's really time. Really time to open this new Yeezy's boost. And let's begin the unboxing. At first, we have this one, the Adidas logo, and another here, and that's it. And let's open this. Wow! I never opened this before. Wow! This will use this boost. Wow! First expression, this really fabric. Wow! It's really. Wow. And the color and is amazing. I'm going to try this out. And guys, if you're not yet a subscriber, subscribe and slap that bell to get notified if I post a video. Wow. It's nice. It's comfortable on the first try. And this is really awesome and durable, I think. And that will wrap up this video, and see you next week. And on next week, I'll tell what I have planned on this channel, on what I will post every week. Okay, guys, that's it. Peace.